In this video, we'll walk through how to adjust jaw orientation and compare the 3D model with patient photos. We begin in the setup stage. On the left side panel, at the top, there is a button labeled Jaws Alignment. Select this button to activate the mode, which allows you to adjust how both jaws are positioned together in space. Once Jaws Alignment mode is active, you can also enable Photos mode. When enabled, all patient photos appear on the screen. This setup allows visual comparison between the 3D model and the patient's photos, helping you verify that the model's orientation matches the patient's actual facial structure and smile. When both Jaws Alignment and Photos modes are enabled, a horizontal reference plane appears in the scene. This is the same plane used in Jaws Alignment. It serves as a stable visual reference for aligning the model with the patient's photo. A controller panel appears on the screen, containing 3 rotation controls: pitch, roll, and yaw. Using these controls, you can fine-tune the model's orientation in space to achieve accurate alignment with the photos. Both jaws move together as a single unit. You can make small adjustments using the plus and minus buttons next to each axis. Each click adjusts the orientation by 0.1 degrees, allowing precise control. For greater accuracy, you can also enter values manually. As you adjust pitch, roll, or yaw, the 3D model updates smoothly in real time, allowing you to visually confirm alignment with the patient's facial features and photo reference. If you need to start over, select the Reset button. This immediately resets all rotation values, pitch, roll, and yaw, back to 0, returning the model to its initial position. The mode remains active, so you can continue adjusting without interruption. When the desired alignment is achieved, save the orientation. This stores the current jaw position for the setup stage. If the case is reopened later, the saved orientation is automatically restored. You can then review the result using the front, left, right, or top view buttons on the right side of the screen. Each view reflects the newly saved jaw position. While the comparison model with Photos mode is active, the horizontal reference plane remains fixed. All rotations are performed relative to this stable reference. Mouse-based rotation is disabled, so you make all orientation changes exclusively through the controller. This ensures consistent and precise alignment with the photos. In summary, the comparison model with Photos feature enables accurate visual comparison between the 3D model and real patient photos, helping ensure correct alignment, realistic presentation, and confident setup planning without affecting the treatment itself. This is how you adjust jaw orientation and confirm alignment with real patient photos. Thank you for watching.